welcome back to another edition of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. We're doing holiday edition. We've been doing side dishes and appetizers, and oh my goodness, you're gonna love this one. Dirty Wonton Shrimp Cups. Well, you're gonna bring this over to the holiday party, and people are gonna go, whoa, this is amazing, and you're gonna love it, so let's get started. Okay, let's talk about what the ingredients in here. We've got the garlic, we've got the butter, we have the cream cheese, we got the wontons, we got the Worcestershire, mozzarella, we got the baby carrots, you can use regular carrots, we have the green onions, we have some Gulf shrimp, I love Gulf shrimp, you can choose any shrimp that you want. We've got the Chesapeake dirt, oh yeah, we're doing the Chesapeake dirt because I love it. I just love it. You're gonna love it just like I do. And this recipe is in the Dirty Girls Cookbook on page 6. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to preheat an oven at 350 degrees. The second thing we're gonna do is we're gonna work on the wontons. So we're gonna take some cooking spray and we're gonna spray inside here really well. That way things don't stick. And then we're gonna take the wontons. Put our wontons right on top, not just for color. Each single one we'll put right inside here. Really nice. Alright, you can see how pretty they came out. We're going to put this in the 350 oven for 8 minutes, and we'll be right back. Okay, now we're going to put all the ingredients together into the processor. I'm going to put most of the shrimp in here. We're putting a teaspoon of garlic. Of course, I don't follow recipes, so I'm going to go 2 teaspoons. We're going to put 2 stalks of green peppers in. Cream cheese. We're going to put in the carrots, 1 teaspoon of the Worcestershire, 1 cup of the cheese, and it says 2 teaspoons of the Chesapeake dirt. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of Chesapeake dirt because that's how I roll. Start pulsing. After we got this mixture done in here, now, to be honest with you, I want to be honest, as Josh is laughing right behind here, is I struggled with this a little bit because I put way too much in here. I should have only done half and half, done a half of it, and then redo the half of it because it's so darn freaking small. I should have used a bigger one. What do I know? So now I'm going to put the mixture in a bowl. Now we're going to put it in the shrimp cups here. They have now cooled off really well. Just put that right on top. Fill each single one of these up. Alright, now you want to take, these shrimp are small, so I'm using a small shrimp here today. The recipe usually calls for medium shrimp, and you can cut them in half. I think the small work better. It just looks a little more prettier. Okay, so we're going to put these back in the oven for 5 minutes, and then when they're done, we'll be right back. Okay, now we get to try these. I'm telling you, these are great. You should see Josh's face right now. He is like biting at the bit to try one of these things over here, aren't you, Josh?
Yeah.
All right, let's try this. Wow. Hey, Josh, I'm gonna give you a nice one too. Try that. Tell me what you think of that.
Wow, that's really good.
Isn't that amazing? These are fantastic. Take a little effort to make, but well worth it. Certainly for the holidays. All your friends and family coming over. And you know you like to stand out among the crowd over here, and you definitely will with these. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel. Tell all your friends and family that you absolutely love it. If it's still Thanksgiving and Christmas when you're watching this, hope you have a happy holiday. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.